What I'm doing at this point is I am installing the four-way switch. Keep it from moving, I dropped 2 screws into it. Okay, I have that pinned down now. Can I drill this? Drill this. What I want to do is find the center of this and put a large hole in it. My four-way switch is right here. This is the top, so it goes up here like so. The bolts, the screws, come in through the top and seat, and then this is sucked up against it like this. Because this has a little bit of height on it, my panel is going to have to be recessed in enough for the door to close, but that's not a real big problem. Small workplace here. That is 6.5 centimeters. Now we find a drill larger than the shaft, and since that's about 1/4 inch, this may work. You can't see it, but right behind me, my Daisy dog has figured out how to get up inside the trailer, which means it's no longer a good place to hide stuff from her. It was inevitable that she would learn. Trying to slide on me. Dogs are smart. The last thing to do is to put in this last screw. There are nuts on the back side of this that can fall out, and all I'm doing is holding on to them so that they start and they go on in. And just get this one to start. Oh, that's not any good. I don't think you can see the X on the spot, but I'm going to put a pilot hole here. Okay, and now we'll cut our hole. That is warm. It's about to come out. Now I need to get this out. Yikers, that's hot. This is the test assembly. I'm getting ready to take it apart. The 4 holes for the screws have been drilled, but until I run this through the saw, these won't be permanently mounted. But I thought I'd show you where I'm at here. The voltmeter will be going right beside this. This is my amps. My volts will be here. And if I need this space, let me back off here a little bit. If I need any of this space down here for anything, I can always add it. Dysfunctional vet out.